Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and I'm doing a different kind of a reading, though my throat is not okay. But I don't know, I really had to give these channel messages today, so I've not used any tarot to write or to do any messages. I wanted to give certain messages, so I wrote all that came to me through channel messages and through guidances by my spirit guides, ascended masters, and my archangels. So I'm thankful to all of them. So you have to choose between two piles, pile number one, pile number two. There is no special color, date, something that you have to choose from. Just think which pile one or two that you're getting attracted to, which number, pile number one or two, and see which messages are for you. So like I said, there are two piles, pile number one and pile number two. I want to give channel messages. I will use tarot if I want to, but I'll also keep giving you messages as they come to me. So let's start with pile number one, and let's see what are the messages that I wrote. This is for the month of September. I must say that whatever I could channel and whatever messages I think are for you. So remember guys, this is a general reading. This is not a specific reading, and some messages might resonate, a few might resonate, like I always say. But yes, I'm going to explain what I meant by that. So there are a lot of messages that I got here. I also wrote some in red. I wanted to, because I added them later. I also added some numbers. So let's see pile one. How is September going to be for you? So first I got is self-aware. So you're going to be, a few of you are going to be more self-aware about yourself. You know which path you want to take, especially on a spiritual journey. It's self-aware, being, knowing your problems, knowing positive things in you, knowing about your shortcomings. I feel you're going to take a course, or it's like almost asking your friends, tell me more about myself. So you want to know what people think about you. It's becoming self-aware in a lot of ways. So that's the first word I got. I also got the word diary. I feel a lot of you have started writing a diary. A lot of you have started journaling, you manifesting, you probably making a vision board kind of a thing, or probably you just probably started writing today in a diary. I also get the visual of a black diary. I get a blue diary. I get a very dark blue, ink blue diary. So those are the two diary colors that I get. But I get, you've started, it's a leather diary. I do get too much leather. I see too much leather visually, but yes. So you started writing your diary is what I get. You writing, all important things in that diary, probably the numbers, the project, or some information that needs to be put down. So it's not like a very personal diary, but it is, yes, maintaining a diary about your dreams, about your future projects. But I still feel that it's about just started writing a diary. It could be in September first week you're going to do that, or it could be in around the middle of September is what I get. I also feel I got the word sandwich. It could be eating a sandwich, but yes, it doesn't mean that. In my head, when I thought of a sandwich, the word came up to me. It's like getting sandwiched between two things. That's how you feel. It's like getting sandwiched between, two decisions, two people. One side probably is family, the other side is love. I don't know what it means, but I get, this is your feeling. This is your mind feeling right now. Almost sandwiched between two things, confused about which way to go, which way to take. The alphabets that I got for you were M, F, K, and R. So this is when I say alphabets that I got for you for September. It could be the place you work at. It could be your building name, or it could be your company's name. It could also be people you're dealing with. Mostly start with these alphabet. Their names start with these alphabets, or probably the future company that you're going to join. The names start from these alphabets. Could be people, your friends, your family. So this is what I got. I got M, F, K, and R. So in September, all these alphabets, you'll be dealing with a lot of people whose alphabets, whose name begin with these alphabets. I also got the words broad. So I also got the word be broad-minded, or something requires a broader perspective, or you need to, like you normally use in a sentence, you would say, broadly said, so you're going to use these words, or, you're going to broaden your perspective, or something related to that. I also felt don't brag about something in September. So don't talk much about yourself, or maybe you have been bragging about yourself, and here, somebody pointed out, and here you want to be more self-aware. You want others to point out that why, what are the problems in you, or probably you realize, probably somebody did say something, you were talking, or somebody said something to you, and you are trying to do the corrections, the negatives that you have. You're doing those corrections in your personality or in your traits, which is a good thing. Probably you're also realizing the problems you have, and people have been pointing them out, and you want to do something about those problems. So I'm going to keep the energy cards. They're giving me a little energy while I'm talking. I also got the word startup. So I feel a lot of you are going to are going to start something new. Starting. I also want to say start something new because I just channeled that message. It also could be a beginning of a relationship, beginning of a new job. But if I find September a new beginning for you, if there are a lot of new beginnings for you if you've chosen pile number one. I also got the word faces. It's like you want to say that person instead of saying has is wearing many masks. It's like the person has many faces, or you feel the person has many personalities, and you don't know which one is the real one is what I get. When I wrote this word, this is the feeling that I got. I also got the word Boston, like the place. So I don't know, probably you traveling to Boston, or you read about it, or you use this word, or somebody, called you from Boston. So I got the word Boston, or probably, there is a relative there, or you've got friends there, or something to do with this word. I got Boston. I also got the word brave for you. So September, you need to be much more braver. You have to be brave, okay? And don't feel weak is the other channel message that I get. So September for pile number one, if you've chosen file number one, be a little bit braver. I also got the word sugar. I got the word maple. So it's more Canada I got. So maple sugar I got. I don't know. I got the word sugar. So just be careful. Keep your sugar in check. I also got that you're not really trusting a person who's who talks the words drip like honey, like very sweet talking, or you want to be careful of this person in September. Probably you've already met a person like this, and you feel the person talks too sugary, and there is you're not really trusting the person. So because the person says all good things, and there is something that not really trustworthy about this person. So that's what I got. I also got the words up and down. So September could be a lot of ups and downs for you. So it's not going to be like one constant thing, or up, or could not like really a roller coaster ride. But I'm going to say things going like this, up and down, up and down. So the moment you think you become stable, something moves up, and it's like things dip. Probably finances. So this is an up and down in September that you're going to see. I also got the words "go for it." I added it much later. I this line I wanted to say as an advice. So if you're wanting, if you wanted an advice, I would say go for it. I also got the word ghost. Ghost doesn't mean you're seeing ghosts in September. You'll see ghosts in September. It meant that somebody's going to ghost you, or you're going to ghost someone. Ghosting someone. So it's almost somebody's unfriended you. Somebody's disconnecting with you. Somebody could be Facebook, anything. Unfriending someone, you ghosting someone, or somebody's going to ghost you. So that's the message that I get. I'm going to turn this around because we'll deal with this later. Okay. I also get the word foresee. So you will also foresee your problems. It's almost like you will know what's coming in your life in September. I think you already have a hint how September is going to go for you, probably love wise, finance wise. So there is a hint already that's been dropped by the universe for you to pick up. Like I said, I also see major shifts and major changes, and I got the angel number 444. So you could be seeing these repeated numbers. You could be seeing 222, or you could be seeing 333. I just feel that you guys, if you've chosen pile, these are the synchronicities or repeating numbers that you would be seeing, the angel numbers also, like we call it. And 444 is actually angels telling you that you are on the right path. Okay, remember that. So there is no worry. There is going to be a major shift about something in September that's going to change your life. I also get the word collective decision. Sorry, I left the word debt. I'm going to go to debt. So don't get into debt, okay? Be careful of your finances. It's also worrying about your debt. It's also worrying about how to pay your loans or to pay your EMI. That's also I get. I also get the word collective decision. So this decision, whatever you're going to make in September, is just not going to be yours. It's going to be two, three people making this decision. Or if you're in love, you're in a relationship, there's some kind of an important decision that you guys need to make. I feel you're going to make it together. You're going to take you are going to take a collective decision. It's a group decision. It's a team decision. It's a decision taken by two or more people, is what I get. Like I said, there's also a forewarning. You will know that something is not right. Probably it has something to do with faces, or you ghosting someone. So you already know that something is not really going good, or something needs to be corrected, like I already said. So there is some kind of a forewarning coming for you guys. I also got the word brutal, though I didn't want to write it. This is two times. The word came to me while I was writing for pile number one. Like I was doing random channeling and automatic writing. So I got these words. We also got the word brutal. I got it, I think, twice or thrice. So when I get a word again and again, I really didn't want to include it, but I don't know what it means. So probably you take a decision and the other one says that's a brutal decision. Could be in a job, or you're going to use this word or something you think is not fair to you, fair for, somebody's there is injustice involved in the whole situation, and you think it's a brutal decision by somebody else, or there is something brutal about the whole situation. I don't mean any violence here, but I feel it's more like the injustice thing happening, okay? And you think the decision taken or made is not really fair. So I got the word brutal, and I got these are the numbers that I told you I got. I also got the color yellow for you. I got the color pink for you. So those are the good colors for you. Let me see if I just want to take out one or two cards and let's see, what are the messages. It's like I said, things are going to go up and down. So I feel in September, especially if you are a number 6, okay, a lot of doors will open, a lot of opportunities open. This is a reversed card, though there is nothing bad in that. I feel if you don't take timely action, the doors will open quickly and shut quickly. So you have to grab that opportunity. Are the messages that I'm getting from this card? It is not that that you will not get any opportunities. It is just that you will miss the opportunity if you blink, okay? So you have to apply really fast, or if somebody is wanting you to be a friend, or take the relationship further, anything like that, I want you to act quickly. I don't know why, but these are the messages I want to give to you, that act quickly is coming a lot to me. So you have to act quickly on the opportunities presented to you by people, by the universe. Otherwise, if you don't act quickly, the windows, doors, all the opportunities are going to close as quickly, as they came for you. We're going to do one more card. So probably in September, you'll end up feeling that somebody is envious of you. So somebody could be envious of you, of your success, especially in business. You probably are doing very well in business. And this is not just a feeling. I feel that somebody is envious of you. That's what I get. So this is dealing with envy, okay? And especially 2 number, I also get 8 number and 9 number. You could be dealing with all those. I get that you could be dealing with a Leo, Aries, or a Gemini. So there could be somebody who's envious of you. Remember that. So pile number 1, those were the messages for you. That this is all channel messages. I have not used cards. I've just used the energy oracle just for 2 messages. So I'm going to move on to pile number 2. Pile number 1 is done. I'm going to keep it away. Let's see what pile number 2 is saying. What are the messages? So pile number 2, I got the word brisk walking. Okay. I got the word brisk walking. So either you need to start brisk walking, you just started brisk walking, and this is a channel message that I got much later. So it's about walking or putting walking in your routine. You need to start walking. If you haven't been walking, you've been lazy, I want you to start walking. A brisk walking will help you, will keep you active, will make you feel better, is what I get. I also get the word magic. So either believe in magic, or you will feel that September is probably going to be magical for you. Beautiful things will happen for you. Beautiful doorways, gateways will open. It's almost like stardust falling on you. And I see a lot of glitter. I see a lot of celebration. I don't know why I want to say magic, but it's almost like a lot of glitter, confetti, things like that I can see. It's either somebody's birthday is also coming up, is what I get. In September, naturally there will be birthdays, but I get especially 9 September, I get 21st September, I get 14th September. So you'll be planning a lot of all this, glitters and confetti, and I see all that. I also feel September is a month for decisions for you if you've chosen pile number 2. Very important decisions to take. And I think you've been delaying taking that decision for 6 months or more. I also get 5 months or more. There has been a delay in decision that's been from your side. You have to take the decision. And that decision is very important. I don't want you to delay it anymore, okay? Don't delay the situation anymore. Sorry, I said situation. That was a channel message. So there's a situation which you need to take control of, and you can only take control of that situation when your decision is right and it is made. I feel you're going to make it within 6 months. I also got the word supportive. So somebody's going to be really supportive of you, or you're going to be supportive of someone. If you have plans, people will support you. You will support people. So you will receive a lot of help, and I feel that you will give a lot of help in September. I also feel in September you'll be donating money. Okay, you'll be donating money to a charity, or you will be giving money to someone. So someone can take care of themselves. It could be kids. It could be dogs, old age home. But I feel you're going to give money to somebody. I also feel you said the word costly, that something is costly or something is costlier, or something to do with costs are very high, you need to reduce cost. So something is very costly and you need to reduce the cost is what I get. Also probably there was a purchase, you wanted to buy something and the prices shot up. Probably you kept an X amount of money for buying that particular thing, and suddenly you realize that that thing is much costlier than you thought it was. I also got the word storage. I don't know. I felt picking up something like crates or boxes. I don't know if you're packing or something to move into a new house, or you added storage in something. I don't want to say in your clouds or a cloud or something. It's not. Storage as such, but it is putting things together. I see parcels, I see crates, I see packages. That's what I see. I feel bulky stuff, being put into a room. Probably you wanting to move house, or you just packing. Or you've been packing when you listen to this reading. So probably you've been doing some packing, or you have to move your house, move to a new house. I also got the words forget. I also got the words forgive. So you have to forget something, or somebody has forgotten you, or you need to forgive someone, or somebody needs to forgive you. So this is the highlight of the month. I get the words forget and forgive very strongly. Okay, either you want to forget the person, you want to forgive the person. One of these things probably resonates with you. So these are the alphabets that I got for you. People you would be meeting, company's name, somebody's name you're dealing with, lover's name, anybody's name, best friend's name, or probably a new business and you want to keep a name. So J, F, S, J. I got J twice. So J is very important in pile number 2. Probably your friends are from J, or probably something to do with J, and that is important for you in the month of September. I'm not going to say jogging, but yes, a jogging word came to me, and you need to do your brisk walking. Probably you feel you need to shed some weight, Probably 3 kgs is what I got. I don't know why I got 3 kgs, I got 6 kgs. So, yeah, this is for you then. Or probably you started jogging. So these are the alphabets I'm going to repeat. I got J, F, S, J, P, and O. I got these alphabets. I also got an empire. It's like you building an empire, almost wanting to be very successful in business, almost branching out, opening more offices. That's probably your dream, or you're doing that. It's something to do with empire. It's also, I feel, somebody's going to pass their business to you. It's like a father's grandfather's or anybody's business coming to you. I get empire a lot, okay? Or you building something from scratch is what I get. Also get this group needs closure, and it's going to come in September. Some kind of a closure. Somebody left in a hurry. Some friend, left in a hurry. There was disconnect. You didn't get the closure you wanted. I also get you did not get the closure you wanted to get in the relationship or anything else. Things were so open. You didn't know why it happened to you. It's still you need to answer this, and you've been asking this, how will I get answer to this word, that I need closure in my life. How do I get closure? So you need closure. Okay. I got married. So I'm not going to say a lot of you. One of you, few of you, two of you, three of you are going to propose, or you have been proposed, or you are heading for a marriage in September. Are you making plans for marriage? You're going to make plans for marriage in September is what I get. I also got the word horse. I don't know if you're fond of horses. I also got the word stable. With horse, I also got the word action. So you got to put things into action. I don't know if you like horses, or you have a lot of paintings with horses, and I get a lot of blue paintings also in your house. I don't know who am I resonating with. Somebody still has to listen to this reading because I'm recording. But I get a lot of blue color paintings. I get a lot of blue. I don't know why I get a lot of blue right now suddenly in this pile too. Maybe you're a water baby. You love water. Maybe you're a water sign, or something to do with water. Are you near water, or do you live near water? Do you have a fountain in your house? or do you have a small kind of a fountain in your house? Something. Oh, you love waterfalls. I don't know why am I going into that, but that's all coming to me. Okay. So I also got need to be alone. This is another for a few of you. This is what you're going to do in September. This is how you think in September. You need to be alone. You need to be left alone is the word that I get. You don't want to be with people. I don't know why I get that. Not wanting to be with people, wanting to be left alone. So I also got that you will probably be seeing these numbers. Okay, you'll be seeing these angel numbers 777, or you'll be seeing 888. So whenever you see these repeating numbers, synchronicities or angel numbers, please turn to your thoughts at that time, what you were thinking when you saw these numbers. These are angel guidances from our angels, just to give you a message, just to show you the clock or wherever you see it, license, number plate, wherever you see this, on the radio, time. So on a book, or I don't know, whatever, duration counter. So you'll be seeing these numbers a lot. I get, these two numbers. I also get that I got the words drop it and drop your plans. So it's almost in September. One of you, two of you, like I'm saying, it's a general reading. It's not a specific reading, so might or might not resonate. So you're going to drop your plans. I get you're going to drop your plans for somebody. You need to help somebody, or you need to drop your plans. You've just dropped your plans. You were planning something else, and something else happened. Happened in September. This is how it all started. You need to drop it. You also need to. Somebody told you to drop it. Drop the argument. Don't carry it on and on and on. Don't keep saying the same thing. Somebody told you that also. Okay. I also get the word stuck. So feeling stuck in September. This could be for a few of you. I get number 1, number 9, and number 11 and number 12 are going to feel like this. You're going to feel stuck, and you don't know what to do about it. That's the kind of feeling that I get. So this is pile number 2. These are all the messages that I got for you guys. I'm also going to do 2 tarot cards, because this was totally a channel reading. This was automatic writing, randomly what I wrote, what came to my mind. Let's see, what are the 2 cards? What messages? Yes, there is indecision. I told you guys, this sits so beautifully. This is exactly what I said. And see the card 8. I told you guys, this is so blessed. I love it when my cards resonate. So this is the channel message. This is what it is. Especially with number 8. I want to say with number 8. And with number 6 also. There's a huge indecision happening in September, but I feel by the end of September it's going to clear out, guys. Remember, I wrote the word decisions, and here's what I got. It's time to make decisions. It's time to take that decision. Okay, it's very important for you to take that decision right now. Let's see what are the other messages. Let's see if I get something that resonates, or if it's a new message, guys. Let's see. Happy families. A lot of families getting together. Happy family. I don't know. I told you. I said water. Your family is near water. Near water. You are near water. You want your family to join you. You are away from them, or water is separating you and your family. Okay, I get that's the message. The water is separating your family. Are you away from your family? You want to be with your family. I don't know why. It's like. Being away because of the job or because of the COVID situation, you got stuck somewhere else, and your family is stuck somewhere else. It's really wanting to be with them. Something is separating you. I told you that I'm getting a lot of water in this reading. A lot of water signs in this reading, and a lot of water I got. I'm going to take out one more card. So maybe 777 means for me here means oceans away. 7 oceans away. I don't know why I want to say that. Let's see one more card for you guys. I don't know. This is almost getting. This is go get connected to God, or get connected to the power you believe in. It's really. I want to say you'll also be visiting an important place of worship in September. It says the temple path. I don't know. I get 9 number. I get more of a 9 number. That the place is 9 feet away, 9 steps away from your house, the place of worship, 9 countries away, 9 states away. Something to do with 9. I don't understand what 9 is to you right now. What would it mean to you? but probably from 9 months you've been making this plan to go to a place of worship, or in 9 months you will travel to go to that place, and you'll go there and wish for something. I also get you're going to wish for something. Okay, that's the channel message. You're going to make a wish there. So I get that, and you're going to ask for something, a wish to be granted. That's the message I get. So those are the messages for you guys. Thank you so much. I'll be back again with another reading. My throat is not really good. So see you. Good night. Bye.